What's the meaning of accrual? Accrual. 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 Accrual refers to the accumulation of something over time, such as interest on a loan or wages earned by an employee but not yet paid. In accounting, accruals are used to record revenue and expenses in the period they are incurred, regardless of when the cash is exchanged. This allows for more accurate financial reporting, showing a company's true financial position and performance. Accrual accounting recognizes economic events rather than only cash transactions. By doing so, it reflects the ongoing activities of a business more accurately, providing a better understanding of its profitability and financial health.